Whenever you're hiking in the woods and you come across poison ivy, the phrase to remember is leaves of three, let it be. But when it comes to engineering, it's completely the opposite. My phrase is rule of three, refactor it. I know it doesn't rhyme, but I'll explain what that means. When you're writing a substantial program of nearly any size, it's not uncommon to have duplicated logic or nearly duplicated logic. That's the whole point of a function. But I'm going to argue against premature optimization. Typically, I recommend waiting 3 times before you start to optimize it. Imagine that you're writing either a function or a class, and so far you're only using it one time. It's very easy to either over-engineer or under-engineer it because you don't really understand its full use case just yet. Now, if you take that exact same bit of code and you duplicate it one more time, so you have 2 instances of it, well, you're not really seeing a pattern emerge. You may start to see it yet, but by the 3rd time, things start to solidify. That's the point where I recommend you start taking your classes and your functions and you start writing some generic way of doing it. You have a much more holistic understanding of the problem and how you're approaching it, as well as any edge cases, so you're much more informed on the best way to handle it.